Hello again, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome to all our new subscribers. This is Sunny's Place. I'm Sunny. This would be a normal, everyday look for me, y'all, except I don't have any lip products on. Why don't I have any lip products on? Because my Gerard Cosmetics Mystery Box came in. If y'all would like to see what I got in it, you know the drill. Just stay tuned, guys. Alright, my loves, it's been a minute since I had any Gerard Cosmetics on my channel. I do quite frequently use the shade 90210. Wouldn't be a video if Sunny didn't drop something. That would be my e.l.f. Cosmetics Camel CC Cream. So, I do use the shade 90210 in their Hydra Mattes quite often. I do love this color. It is just a beautiful mauve pink color. I love it. And then I also love, what is it called? Melrose Place. I love that. And, oh, yes, their lip liners are absolutely phenomenal. But this is one I use almost all the time whenever I'm ready for my pinky little lip. So, like I said, this is, I believe it is 90210. Yes, that's what it is. I love this shade so much. But we're not going to put it on because Gerard Cosmetics Mystery Box came in. This box was $39.01. You get free shipping anywhere in the US of A. And I also ordered the clean canvas in medium, you guys. I actually ordered it. It was on sale for like $11. Normally it's like $22, so half off. So of course I ordered it. So I actually got it in the shade medium this time, which is going to fit this shade that we have going on with our skin right now. So, open our box, sneak peek. Looks like we got a lot of lip products, which I'm excited about because I don't have many of them, and the ones that I do have, I do truly love. For those who don't know who Jen Gerard is, she is the owner of Gerard Cosmetics. I'll put her channel right up there, and she always has little Yogi on there. He is just the sweetest pup ever. And Jen is so sweet and genuine and kind. And if you use code RESCUE on her site, you will get a percentage off of your order. Plus, she donates to the local shelters to help feed the animals. So, great person all the way around. Let's get into this $39 mystery box. There's always this message on the box. Of course, you all can't see it. It says, "Hi, beautiful. Thank you so much for your order and welcome to our GC family," which I've been a member of for quite a while now. "We hope this very special delivery has you made your day a little bit brighter. Makeup is our creative outlet, and it is a dream come true to share our passion with you. Your feedback and support on social media has been key to our success, and we have nothing but love when we see you wearing our lip colors or sharing your product hauls with us. Join our hashtag GCSQUAD," which I'll make sure and put that in the tag this time. I always forget it. "For exclusive sales and pre-sale access to new products for texting GC Squad to 41400. We love you. You will get like a 10% discount. I believe that's what it was if you send the text to 41400, guys. We love you and can't wait to unveil the new products we've been working on. Please keep in touch. Much love, Jen Gerard, President and CEO." So, it also says, that is just adorable. I love that. It has lipsticks all around it right there. And it says, "He asked me to choose between him and my lipstick. I miss him sometimes." It is adorable. I love that. All right, guys, let's get into it. First, I have the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray, which I have a bottle of it up there. And I have like 2 more bottles in my drawer. I thoroughly enjoy the chocolate mint. Oh, I love it so much. And there's another one. I think it's creamsicle. I didn't like the lavender one so much because it does have a very smell of lavender. And lavender just doesn't suit me well with my allergies. This one is mango. Seems a little empty. It's not wet or anything, but usually it's like filled all the way up here. That's weird. But we're gonna go ahead and smell it because it smells amazing. We'll just use it, actually. You guys, it smells like fresh mangoes. So this is a collab that Jen did with Rich Lux. I'll put his channel right up there. He is a drama channel and he does do beauty. He always has these little white triangles underneath his eyeballs. And his lashes are always a bit wonky. Not always. But quite often, he's got one lash flying off and one lash on correctly. He's a hoot. I do love the Slay All Day setting spray. It works phenomenally, you guys. And it smells wonderfully. And you can get them very reasonably priced. That's product number 1. What do we got here? Share. It's a lip liner in Share. I think that Gerard Cosmetics thinks I look lovely in the lip liner Share because this is like the 3rd one I have received. So I'm not going to swatch this because I do have like 2 of them over there in my drawer. And I will put this away for a giveaway because I do already have 2 of them. It is beautiful. And I'll get mine out here in a minute and show it to you guys just in case. Yeah, looks like we're going to use it. It doesn't look like there's another lip liner in here. Ooh, I got a metal matte lipstick. This is in the shade Fuzzy Navel, which I have had before. I don't think I still have it, though. I'm not sure. Here she is. Absolutely beautiful pink color. We'll set that right there. Here is my clean canvas. Y'all, this eyeshadow primer is freaking phenomenal. It smooths out your texture. It grips down on your eyeshadows. It blends out perfectly. It dries down super fast. I absolutely love this. Now, if they'll just let me get into the box, that would be phenomenal. We'll get it. Okay, just destroy it, Sunny. You're keeping it. All right. First, look at this packaging. All of her packaging has the gold lids, which is gorgeous. I love it. Here it is. Now, it is supposed to be creamy and loose like this. I absolutely love the clean canvas, you guys. I cannot say enough good stuff about this. Love it. Next thing we got, a Supreme lip cream. Now, this one does not dry down all the way matte. It is just a creamy lip. And it is in the shade Blooming Hibiscus. I do not have it. Now, the majority of what I do have is the Hydra matte lipsticks. Ooh, look at that. She's a pretty, pretty bright pink. We'll have to swatch that. Oh, yeah. We got a pop socket. I don't know what to say about these pop sockets, guys. I don't use them. I find them very inconvenient on my phone because I can never put them in my back pocket or they get caught hanged up on my purse. I know a lot of people do use them. They're just not for me. Yeah, it's a pop socket. What else we got here? This is Vintage Rose. What is it? I think it might be a bullet lippy. I do not have any of her bullet lippies, which I don't know if they dry down matte or not. Ooh, we'll have to, ooh, look at that. That is a gorgeous rosy gold. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, we got to swatch some of these. Oh my gosh, look at that. She's so pretty. And then I'll have to decide which one I'm going to put on. Oh, she's creamy too. Look at that gorgeous shade. I do love that one a whole lot. I hope it dries down matte. Please dry down matte. Please, please, please. This is the Hibiscus. Bright orangey pinky shade. Fun color. Ooh, it's very balmy. There she is. It's that one right there. Now, all of her lippies are like $18 to $20. I think. I'm not sure on that. Ooh, that is actually a really gorgeous color, guys. And then we have Fuzzy Navel, the Metal Matte. Isn't that what it was called? Yeah, the Metal Matte. Let's give it a good swatch. We'll put it right next to the Bullet one. Ooh, she is a bright, light pink. Right there. Bright, light pink. So what I could do is go ahead and use the Bullet one right there and then put this in the center and kind of do like an ombre look. That is a phenomenal idea. So in all, this was a good mystery box. I wasn't expecting a bunch of lippies. I guess we got 3 plus the lip liner. So 4 lippy products and a setting spray. The clean canvas I purchased on my own. So I think this box should have been called the Lippy Mystery Box. I am very happy I got it because the ones I have are getting kind of old, and these are gorgeous, guys. I'm going to go and get my hair out of the way and get this bullet on for you. And then I am going to go ahead and do the ombre with it in the center. Oh, yeah. It's like a nudie pink color. This would absolutely be an everyday wear lipstick. Sorry, my hair is getting my eyes. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, that is such a beautiful pink, guys. And the component is absolutely adorable. Now, I normally wear really dark lipsticks, but for everyday looks, I do go like this. Nudie natural looking. That is just so pretty. I actually want to try that hibiscus also. All right, let's go ahead and put this metal matte in the center and do like a little ombre look. And that's how you do an ombre. You just dab, dab, dab in the center, right here to here, and then do your Cupid's bow. And then you have your little ombre look. It's a very light pink. It's actually really gorgeous, guys. I really do love it. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to put that hibiscus on, and this one right here, because it's gorgeous. It's calling to me. We got to check it out. We have to. Now, these are just Noah's little diaper wipes. And I use them when I'm going to be doing lip swatches because of the oils that are in them. Keeps my lips from drying out too badly. Okay, let's put on the hibiscus. Gorgeous shade. Now this does feel like it's a gloss, like a creamy glossy. I already threw the box down there. Yeah, it feels like it's like a gloss. It's not tacky, not sticky. Dang, I may have not had to take off that other lippy and just put this over the top of it. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I love it. And it's not as bright as it is in the component as it is on the lips. Like, it's a lot less. It's not as bright on the lips as it is in the component. That's gorgeous. It's a really gorgeous, gorgeous gloss. And then let me grab that sheer for you. See, I got two. Let me make sure this one's share. Because the name will be on here somewhere. Dang it, it just says GC Lip Pencil. Let me make sure I got the correct one, guys. No, this one is a little bit darker than this one. So, is it this one? Yes, it's this one. Okay. Let's put that back up. Okay, so I only had one extra share. I'm going to go ahead and put it on over this. Here she is. It really blends in with just about any pinky tone that you use. They're very, very creamy. And they just glide right on, as you just seen. It was that easy. Yeah, I love this so much. And I love Jen, and I love Yogi so much. Very, very beautiful glossy look. All right, my loves, that is the end of our Gerard Cosmetics Mystery Box. Said it was $39.01. Then we got 20, 40, let's just say 60, 70, the lip liner, and this, dang, I want to say close to $100 worth of items in here for $39.01. And let's don't forget the pop socket. Yes, it's cute. Yes, it's a little, I don't know, extra little gift, but they're just not for me. All right, my loves, y'all know the drill. The metal matte did dry down. The bullet lippy did not. And the hibiscus, I believe, is a gloss. Y'all know the drill. Give your girl that thumbs up or give her a thumbs down. It just lets me know which videos y'all prefer to see more. All right, my loves, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.